Good morning, traders. Welcome to this week's cryptocurrency market analysis webinar. I hope you all had a great week. Right. As always, the structure of this webinar is always going to be how we forecasting the market, how we forecasted the market in the last week. We look at how the market performed, and we look at how we're expecting or what we're forecasting going into the new week. And that's the format that we're going to follow this morning as well. So we have been looking at Bitcoin, especially, and the rest of the cryptocurrencies, looking to see whether we are going to see any reversal, at least a bullish reversal in place in the next or in the near future. That's what we're going to be looking at. And as I keep saying, we don't look at the market emotionally, whether we've got long-term portfolios on the cryptocurrencies, we look at the market based on what the technicals and the sequences and the cycles are showing us. And that is what we're going to do in a bit. All right, guys, so before we get started, if you'd like to contact us, you can do so by going to our channel. Our channel is Trading Waves on YouTube. Go to Trading Waves on YouTube. If you open our channel there and you open any of our videos, under the description, you are going to find our contact details. Let me just show you there. Just go to under the description. You'll find that social media links. That is Twitter and Facebook. We post a lot of charts before and after. So we also have our website is trading-waves.com. That's where you'll find more information about our services and more content there. We've got also a Trading View link that you can follow us on, as well as our Telegram channel. Right, if you've not already subscribed to our channel, you can subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification button so you get an upload the next time we upload a video. Right, so let's get right into it. Before we get started, let's have a look at how we focused the market in the last week and what we expect going forward. Now, this is a simple 1 hour chart of what we forecasted in the last week, and this is what I showed you last week in the video as well. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. I'm going to show you Bitcoin on the 1 hour short-term view. So short-term view on Bitcoin, this is what we've been looking for. I showed you this structure that we're looking at. This one to have been a three-wave structure, a three-wave structure, a three-wave structure. That's why we're looking at this as a blue box, and we were expecting the Bitcoin will push to the downside to as low as 28,000, 25,000. That's a possibility, but more about that in shortly when we start with the market analysis. Let's see how the market has played out since that focus. Blue box area is a high probable reversal area. When we trade, we know that if price reaches the blue box, the likelihood of the price reversing from that area is very high. Exactly as you see here on Bitcoin, there is 1, 2, 3 blue box, and we drop. So we're currently around 40,000, 40,400 on Bitcoin. We're still expecting more downside. Okay, so that is Bitcoin. Before we get into the market, let's have a look at Ethereum as well. Let's have a look at how Ethereum was. We focused on Ethereum and how it's playing out. Let's have a look here. Ethereum. So Ethereum had exactly the same structure as Bitcoin, just like Bitcoin. 3 waves up, 3 waves down in the red degree into the blue box. We expected this one to drop. That is Ethereum textbook setup. As you can see, they're all exactly the same. How does Ethereum play out after that? Let's have a look here. This is Ethereum now, and this is how it has played out. Exactly as forecasted, right into the blue box, and then we start dropping. That's because we understand the cycles and the sequences. We came from around 3,500. We're currently now at about 3,000. A $500 drop on Ethereum. Let's have a look here. Is there more? So let's have a look here on Ethereum. So that's all the forecast for what we had forecasted in the last week. But let's see what we're expecting going into the new week. Okay, let's have a look here into the new week. What are we expecting? Let's go. Right, so Bitcoin. Now, if you look at Bitcoin, that is the structure. I'm on the daily chart now. That's the structure that we focused on. This was the blue box that we've seen earlier on. We're expecting these to continue pushing lower, possibly even break lower than the 28,000 even around 25,000 before pushing up higher. You have seen over the last couple of videos why we're expecting that, and that is because we're expecting this to play out an expanding flat play possibly before any reversal to the upside. So let's see how this plays out here. We'll be looking for this one to drop still. Ethereum similar, it's exactly the same structure, nothing new as you've seen here. Also, we had a blue box here on the 4 hour, rather on the 1 hour. We're simply expecting this one to give us an expanding flat, break the low, and push to the upside. There's a possibility Ethereum can even get to about 1,500 or even 1,000. It would be a very nice area to buy Ethereum at 1,000. So let's see how this plays out. We are currently in this corrective structure. We want to see the drop there. That is Ethereum. Litecoin, although it does not have an expanding flat, this one has what looks like a WXY corrective structure. We may see this one drop slightly, but all it will be doing is complete this corrective structure down here before we push to the upside. So that's what we're looking at here on Litecoin ABC corrective structure. We are still bearish, still want to see a little bit more downside before expecting any reversal. Right, Ripple. Now, Ripple is starting to make an interesting structure because right here at the bottom, you'll see that Ripple is making what looks like a complex corrective structure. That's downside here. Ripple could come back around 1.2 level before dropping. But let's see here how that's going to play out. So we could get this one coming around here. Could even make this structure here downside and then upside, but that's all speculation for now. So we'll be watching Ripple to at least just push to the upside to see this one here. If we get to that level, there's a likelihood that we're going to drop on Ripple. Right, let's have a look at Dogecoin. It's been idling around the same area. Similar to Litecoin, Ripple has got this Dogecoin has got this 3-wave structure here. We can still drop to the downside, but all it's going to be doing is complete this corrective structure. We can still drop here, but we want to see this one reverse and push up higher. Similarly, ADA is coming down with what looks like an impulse. So at some point, we should start seeing this one make a deeper correction. But for now, we are still bearish on ADA, and there's nothing to take home there on ADA. Still going to see that one make more downside. Binance, we're still going to see more downside. As you can see, it's got a similar structure to Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're going to see more downside here on Binance around this level before expecting any move to the upside. Okay, so the cryptocurrencies are still pretty much bearish, nothing to take home here. Still looking for more downside until we start seeing signs of reversal. And that's all I have for you this week. Trade responsibly. It does look like the reversal are gonna come. We're gonna wait for the indicators to give us confirmation for that before we start taking the moves to the upside. But for now, sit on your hands, watch the market, and when you get an opportunity, then we execute. All right, guys, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not already done so. Give us a thumbs up if you like our content, and hit that bell notification button so that you get an alert the next time we upload a video. Have a great week, everybody. Cheers. Bye-bye.